Welcome to the Windows Club. I am Karan and I'm here with the procedure to uninstall Microsoft Edge Chromium browser in Windows 10. There are multiple ways of uninstalling the Chromium Edge browser and we will discuss them one by one. The first method is to uninstall Microsoft Edge Chromium using the elevated command prompt. But for this, we would need the path to the installer file, and let's see how you can find it. Open the file explorer, go to C drive, program files 86, Microsoft Edge application. Now look for the latest version of Edge Chromium because that is the one we would be uninstalling. So this is the 69 one, and click on the installer file once. Now press Windows plus R to open the run window and delete any content in the field of the run window. It should be blank, that is important. Pull the installer file to the run window. This gives the path of the installer file. Remove the quotes from the beginning and the end of this path and select it, copy it. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type cd space and paste the path. Hit enter. This takes us to the installer folder. Now we'll go back to the article on the Windows Club, which has been shared in the link in the description section, and copy this second command line, paste it in the elevated command prompt window, hit enter, and the second I hit enter, you just saw the Microsoft Edge for Chromium icon disappearing, signifying that Microsoft Edge Chromium has been uninstalled from this system. The second and third method to uninstall Microsoft Edge Chromium have the same end but different approaches. The first one is to press Windows and R, type the command appwiz.cpl and hit enter. This opens the Programs and Features window in the control panel. Alternatively, you can search for Microsoft Edge in the Windows search bar. Now we don't get the option to uninstall here unless we click on this downward pointing arrow and select uninstall. This leads us to the same Programs and Features page, and we need to right click on Microsoft Edge and select uninstall. This will uninstall the Edge for Chromium program. Isn't this easy? If you still have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.